Yo, Zach Bradshaw, the Greensboro SEO Pro, back with another bite-sized internet marketing tutorial. So in this video, we are going to talk about connecting Google Analytics and Google Search Console, as you can probably tell from the title of the video. It's a fairly simple process, but similar to the data retention settings, it's something that I always see missed within client or prospective client analytics accounts, and sometimes it's difficult for me to get them to just straight out of the gate give me full permission so that I can fix some of this stuff. And so this video is to go to some of them to say, here, fix some of this stuff yourself, just because it needs to be done. Now, it's really easy to do. You're not having to go into the admin. Well, you really are going into the admin, but the fastest way to find it is and you kind of see the value from it by going this way, is to go to acquisition, which is, this is a list of reports that tell you how you are getting your traffic, how you're acquiring people. And when you go to Search Console and click any of these reports, that might tell you the pages that people are landing on from your search efforts, the countries people are coming from, the devices people are using, and then the most important one, in my opinion, the queries. What searches are they putting into Google to show up to your site? Well, when you don't have it set up, this appears, and this will take you directly into the correct place within the admin to set up your Search Console data sharing. And it's a fairly simple thing to do. So I just noticed within my account, I want to change this to the my default to be the secure version of the site, but you come down here to the Adjust Search Console button, you click it. Really simple. If you already had one, you would see the name of it there, but you can go to add. It brings up your connected Search Console account. So basically the same Google account that you have access to this Google Analytics property will be the same one that transfers over here. And so within this account, I have a variety of properties available to me. I want to set the same one that I just set on this last screen here. Well, now you can see where this is at. This is all within the admin property settings, and let me set that and save it. So I'm going to set the same property that I use here. So if I was using a www version or whatever else, that would be the one that I choose, but I'm going to choose the one that matches what I have here. Now, I have not seen the new Google Search Console domain properties in here yet, but I'm sure that is coming eventually. So I'm going to go ahead and add that association, and it will take me back to Google Analytics. No, it'll take me into Search Console, which I'm going to exit out of, and I'm going to just save this and refresh the page, and I believe it will show right here. Nope, won't show. Gotta click through. But now you can see the property is right here within Search Console site, and you can choose which, like if you have multiple views, which I should probably have on this account, but it's a site that doesn't get any traffic, so it doesn't matter yet. But you can enable different views, and you know, have a check down for which views you want to share with the Google Search Console, which can provide you a variety of different options if you are a more advanced user. But again, this is one of those videos going to several clients or prospective clients, really videos everybody should, you know, follow this little thing on. But again, it's the 2 minutes of me explaining it as opposed to the little rambles at the end. So that's it for this one. Like my stuff and subscribe if you want to. If not, of course, that's cool too. If you need help with SEO, I am here to serve you as always. And until next time, I love you. Peace.